So here we are going to simplify by subtracting the polynomial. I hate subtracting because of the negative here. So what I'm going to do is going to distribute it to each one of the terms here. Okay? I'm going to distribute to each one of the terms. This now becomes a negative x squared. This becomes now a negative 5x. But the negative 1 times the negative 5 becomes a positive 5. All right? Nothing else happened to the first polynomial, so I just write it the same. 2x squared minus 2x plus 3. Now I repeat the same process from before. I combine like terms. So here are my degree 2's in my blue circle. 2x squared minus x squared becomes 1x squared. Then I have my red square boxes for my degree 1. This becomes negative 2x and negative 5x becomes negative 7x. Then I have my green triangle for my constant, a 3 and a 5. That gets me an 8. So my answer would be x squared minus 7x plus 8. That would be my complete answer once I subtracted. 2, like I did before, I hate dealing with this negative in front. So I can just distribute that negative 1 into each one of these terms. So that's how I make it into a positive. Okay, this becomes a negative x squared. This becomes a negative 3x. And the negative 1 times the negative 1 becomes a positive 1. All right, bring everything else down. 2x squared minus 4x plus 8. Right, now I can combine like terms. So our blue circle is for our degree 2. So that becomes 2x squared minus x squared becomes 1x squared. Then I have my red square, negative 4x and a negative 3x. This becomes a negative 7x. I have my 8, which is my triangle here, plus my 1 becomes a 8 plus 1 becomes a 9. So my solution here would be x squared minus 7x plus 9. That's how you subtract the polynomial. Make sure you distribute it first. All right.